Good evening mga shots. Kumakain po yung baby Yana ko. Actually, kaano to, kakalabas lang namin kanina. Hindi pa nga siya nagpalit ng kanyang damit. Anyway, my baby is having her dinner. What are you having, baby Yana? Show them. It's, ay, nakakangawit. It's a squash and egg yolk. Yun lang kanyang dinner tonight. Oh, what you want? No. Don't grab that one, baby. Okay, you want water? Water, baby Yana. Uy. Wala na, basa na. Okay lang yan siya kasi maliligo. Maliligo naman kami. Okay lang yan, okay? Okay, come hurry. Hurry. Going to take a shower after this one. Okay? I know you want you want water. Gusto niya maglaro sa tubig. Later that one, baby. Later that one, okay? Just finish your food first, then we can have a bath, a night bath. Uy, parang ayaw niya na yata. Ay, buko. Come on, open your mouth. This is Yammers. Yammers, my baby. You're such a good girl. You like vegetables? You like fruits? Ayaw mo na yata. Okay, one more, baby, one more. Can we do it one more? One more time? Yeah? We do it this one? Other one. Oh, last one. Last one. Busog na yata siya. Okay, last one. No. Last one. Open mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Okay, feed yourself. Can you feed yourself? Oh, here, hold. Okay. Wait, sige. Youngers, right? Yay! Good girl, my baby Yana. Maliligo din ako Yana kasi galing kami sa labas kanina. Parang I feel so hot, baby Yana. Pati ako parang malinsangan yung init. Walang hangin. I wish we can take a shower together, baby Yana, but our bathroom is too small for us. We won't fit. Mommy is so big. Oh, look at you. Okay, can I give you more? Give you more, then you feed yourself, okay? Okay, this one. This one. Feed yourself. Very good. May sailong na. Yay! Ay, akala ko tinapon niya. Very good, my babe. Ay, yeah, tinapon mo nga. Nothing for you. Okay, let me put one more time. Mama will give you more. Mama will give you more. Okay. Dumikit ka sa Okay. Oh, this one, baby. Be careful. Don't put everything inside. Wala na siya. Tantrum is Tantrum is on. Lumabas na ang tantrum ng baby Yana ko. No, I cannot pick that up. Where's your other spoon? Ay, naku, yung spoon mo. Hindi ko mahanap kung asaan. Nakapatong kasi yung lagayan ng cellphone dyan sa what do you want now? What do you want? You want, okay. Have this water. Then we will take a bath. Oh. Bastos. Wala na. Gusto niya na yung part na to. Kasi maglalaro na siya sa tubig. Okay, na. Ito na yung, nagigigil na. What's that? Can you have this later, baby Yana? Do you want to eat more? Yeah, this one. Wala kong ganang kumain niya yung gabi. Nasuya kami sa hindi naman kunti lang naman kinain ko doon sa pinuntahan namin. Nasuya ako sa mga nakikita ko bang matatamis. Yung icing. You want more? Sige lang, magbasa ka na. Kaya maliligo rin naman tayo. Yan na yung gusto niyang part. Yung maglalaro ng tubig. Hold on, baby. Meron naman kasi siyang lagayan. Nagpakahirap tayo ng yung meron ka namang kasi akala ko hindi siya maglalaro Akala ko hindi ka maglalaro, baby Yana. Meron ka namang upuan, lamesa. Okay, are we done? Come take a shower now. Okay, wait. Paliguan ko muna mga shots. Naligo na yung bata. Nag-swimming pool na sa aming sink. Yung sink naming maliit. So, lagi ko siyang ginaganyan mga shots kasi pag halimbawa mainit ang panahon. Diyan ko siya nilalagay. Nagkakasya pa naman siya dyan. Diyan lang muna yung kanyang mini pool. Ayan na, right? That's your mini pool. One day, baby, maalala mo to, baby. Makikita mo tong ating video. Sa singka talaga naliligo. Yung swimming pool. One day, magkaka-swimming pool din tayo one day. Ayan na, diba? Oh, be careful. Maglalaro muna yan siya mga shots. Tapos maya-mayaan ko na yan siya. Liliguan ko na yan siya. Ayan, baby Yana. Si Babay to din ba Yana? Si Babay mga shots. Hanggang dito na lang yung aming video for tonight. It's just a quick video para meron tayong ma-upload. Anyway, maraming salamat sa mga taong nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Thank you everyone. Si Babay Yana. Si Babay mga shots. See you.